seeing the image, this is the write-up I want them to see. If we're using a video, we would upload a video instead of an image. So when you add your primary text, what you want to do now is add a headline. Now a headline, this is like something to attract them, something. Why do you want them to click on that link? Why do you want them to visit your page? You understand? What is your headline? Now, this right here, I was running an ad for people to join a particular group, and that's why my headline was join group boldly. So you see the write-up, you see the creative, and then you see the headline. So you choose your headline, and once you do that, here is to just give an additional details on why you want people to join your advert. It's actually optional. And this is our call to action button, learn more. And now we want people to visit our website, right? We want people to visit our website, and then you come here. Remember, this is the create ad option. The initial one we did was using an existing post. So right here, you paste your link. Let's say I want to run the ads here. Let's say I want the ads to direct here. I will paste that link. Okay, sorry about that. So I will paste that link here. And when I paste that link, let me just preview the link. You can preview the link to see if it is correct. So you do not paste a wrong link. So this is an ad for people to join a particular WhatsApp group. And once you click the link on the Facebook ad, this is where it's going to bring you to. Now this may be your website or any landing page at all. Now, do you want people to see the link? Do you want people to see where the link is going to, the display? So if you want that, you can just add your display link here. I can add the same link. And then if you want people to call you also, you click this and you add your phone number. But I'm going to uncheck this because I just want them to go to my website directly. I think the network is a little bit bad. Okay. So now that is done, remember, if you do not understand properly, do well to go back and watch this video over and over and over again until you get a good understanding of what we are doing. So once you have done all that, once you have added your link, that is all you need to do for setting up a traffic ad. From the campaign option to the ad set option and to the ad option. So once you are finally done, just go back and cross check, make sure everything is correct, and then you go ahead to publish your ad. So I think why it's taking so much time, I've stayed on the screen for too long. I'm just going to refresh my screen. Okay, and I just wait a while for it to load. Network is really terrible. Okay, so now that we'll just go ahead to publish. Okay, so before we do that, there's something I want to show you on this ads section. I spoke about this earlier, and when depends on how you set up your ad, sometimes this does not always update, which is your audience definition, if it is specific or if it's broad. If your audience definition comes to specific, what that means is that your audience is small and your ad may likely not deliver properly. So you have to comes to specific. What that means is that your audience is small and your ad may likely not deliver properly. So you have to make sure that your audience is a little bit large and that your budget is okay. So then let's go back. Okay, just loading. So it's showing cost per result may rise due to few ads creative. So although it is advisable to use a video or to use, one or two or three images, to run your ads so that Facebook and the algorithm will pick which of these images are your client and your customer reacting best to. And in that way, you can end up saving money and getting more results, because if one creative will perform better than the other, so you know which works for you. So it is better and it is good to try different creative. If you're running an ad, you're not getting result, change your creative, check your writing, and just try to do your best to make sure that you have a good content out there. So now add your write-up, add your headline, add your website. Okay, I do not want this call extension. I thought I checked this earlier. Just ignore this. And now we can proceed to publish our campaign. So as you see, our campaign, one ad set, and one ad were published. So our campaign has been published. So what's going to happen now? Once you close this, you go over and you can see your campaign is in drafts. You can check the ad sets and you can check the ads still in draft, and then once they are published, they will go into review, as this is, and Facebook usually takes 24 hours to review. Some ads take less than an hour, some ads take up to 24 hours, and when it is reviewed, your ad will show active and it will start delivering. If you want to check how is your ad delivering, how many people has visited your website, how much are you spending, you just come here. I'm just going to use this ad as I'm not running. Okay, this is the traffic ad. You just come here and click on view charts. Now, as you can see, this I just set up this ad. I'm not really monitor it. Wow, my cost per link click is going high. This is low, although compared to some people's ad. So right now you can say I've gotten 187 clicks on my website, I am being charged 2.60 naira per link click, and I've spent 485 naira in all. For spending 485 naira, I have gotten 187 people to visit my website. So this is how you navigate. So this is actually the age I chose, from 25 to 34. That's why this bar is higher than the rest. As you can see, 65% men are clicking my ad and 35% women, which is to show that more of men are clicking at the moment. So with this, you can know the information on your ad, and you can optimize and edit and target the right people to get better results. So that is it for this video. It has been a very, very long video. The next video, I'm just going to be showing you how, to create a WhatsApp ad. It's no different from this. I'm just going to show you what you are going, just going to be a short video. I'm going to show you just a little changes, and then I'm going to show you how to target properly, how you can target the ideal audience. Well, thank you so much. See you in the next video.